Okay guys, we're gonna be drawing a super duper cute Eevee. Now Eevee's gonna have these huge anime eyes. Huge anime eyes. We draw this shape here, and then we'll draw the inside of the eyes. So here's an oval, and then here's the other oval. So Eevee's kind of looking off to the side here. We're gonna have a lot of details we're gonna add to the inside of the eyes. I'm adding this thicker line on top. It's totally optional, but I just prefer to make that. And then we're gonna draw a bigger circle and a smaller circle, and then this little shape at the bottom here. So, medium circle, small circle, wiggly shape, and then we'll color this part in. Take your time coloring, nice and slow. I found that if I go a little bit too fast, it looks really rushed and really ugly. So try to take my time. I want my drawing to look cute. I'm sure you guys do too. There we go. And if you need to pause, feel free. No worries there. Beautiful. That's going to be the most time-consuming part of this drawing. Now that you've drawn the eyes, everything else is going to be really, really easy. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Tiny little nose. Snout. Little smile. Look at Eevee. So cute. Now we're basically going to draw like these bunny ears. Now Eevee isn't a bunny, but it's going to help us for drawing purposes if we imagine that Eevee's ears are bunny ears. So one bunny ear, two bunny ears. One is sticking straight up, the other one's kind of going off to the side. And then we could draw the inside of the ears here. Inside of the ears. It's like two little zigzag lines. It curves up, curves back around, just like the shape of the original ear that we drew. And then Eevee's going to be really, really fluffy. So we're going to draw fluff on the sides and on the top of the head. So there's Eevee's head. Now Eevee's going to be holding a Pokeball. So we're going to draw Eevee's little paws on the top of the Pokeball here. There's one paw. Boop. And then let's draw the other one. So boop. One toe, two toe, three toes. And then we're leaving that room, of course, for that Pokeball. It's going to be a big Pokeball. So we drew Eevee's chin here. And then Eevee has a lot of fluff around the neck, so we're going to draw that as well. Alright, here we go, here we go. We're going to draw a circle. Except part of the circle is going to be covered, so it might be a little bit tricky. You guys got this. And then we just got to draw the details of the Pokeball. So we have this oval here. And then curve. And curve. Beautiful. Now Eevee just needs some hind feet and of course a big tail. So here we go. Here's one hind foot. Boop. Boop. Awesome. And then the other one here. Curve. Curve. Boop. Boop. Awesome. There we go. And then we gotta do the tail. So we're gonna draw this big, bushy, fluffy tail. Fluffy. Fluffy. And then comes back around. Awesome, guys. We did it. So Eevee is brown and tan. Pokeball is white, black, and red. Thanks so much for watching.